Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and guides. Today, we will provide a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to defragment and optimize drives to speed up your computer. Regular maintenance of your drives can significantly enhance your system's performance. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented, meaning they are split into pieces and stored in different locations. This can slow down your computer as it takes longer to read and write files. Defragmentation reorganizes these files, while optimization ensures your drives are performing at their best. To access the Defragment and Optimize Drives tool on Windows, open the Start menu and type Defragment and Optimize Drives, then select the tool from the list. In the Defragment and Optimize Drives window, you'll see a list of all your drives, along with their current status and last optimization. To begin, select the drive you want to optimize and click Analyze. This will show you the percentage of fragmentation on the drive. If the drive is more than 10% fragmented, it's time to optimize. Once the analysis is complete, click Optimize to start the defragmentation process. This may take some time, depending on the size of the drive and the level of fragmentation. To keep your drives running smoothly, it's a good idea to schedule regular optimizations. In the Defragment and Optimize Drives window, click Change Settings. Check the box for Run on a schedule and choose a frequency that works for you, such as weekly. Select the drives you want to include. And click OK to save your settings. Note that if you're using a solid-state drive, SSD, traditional defragmentation is not necessary and can even be harmful. Instead, the optimization process for SSDs involves a command called trim, which helps manage data more efficiently. Windows handles this automatically, so there's no need for manual defragmentation. Defragmenting and optimizing your drives is a crucial maintenance task that can significantly speed up your computer. Regularly perform these actions to keep your system running at peak performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.